In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to activate a Netspend card without an ID. Let's get started. First, visit official Netspend website or open the Netspend mobile app. On the activation page, enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date and the CVV security code from the back of your card. Then continue to the verification step. If you don't have a government-issued ID, Netspend may let you verify your identity using other personal information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, and any additional details they request. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your identity is verified, create a secure 4-digit PIN for ATM withdrawals and purchases. Submit your information, complete any email or phone verification if prompted, and your Netspend card will be activated and ready to use once approved. And that's how you can easily activate your Netspend card without an ID. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.